This does give a glow. I went ahead, I got the One Size Powder Melt Setting Spray. Now, I'm pretty excited about this because all the girlies all over social media are raving about this, about how it melts all your powder, it melts in your skin and gives you a little bit of a glow. Let's read it and see what it does. It says, melt powdery finishes, refresh, hydrate, and brighten all day makeup wear, uncomedogenic, dermatologist tested, instantly transforms powdery makeup into a glass-like finish that lasts all day. Enriched with ceramides and ginger flower water, this setting spray is clinically proven to extend the wear of makeup while improving radiance, texture, and moisture levels immediately over time. The instructions say, shake well before use and keep eyes closed during application. Spray in a circular motion over makeup, holding product 10 to 12 inches away from your face. Let's get into it. Let's give it a good shake. Okay, let's do it. Okay, okay, okay. This does give a glow. Have you tried it yet? This does not have a smell. I know the other One Size setting spray is pretty strong. Now, when you inhale it, it'd be trying to take you out of here. But this one doesn't have a smell. And it's lightweight. And it gives me a nice glow. Ooh. What y'all think? If you've tried the One Size setting spray, drop a comment and let me know what you think about it. Now, this is my unsponsored review. I bought this with my own money, and based on me putting on my skin, I do feel like it's lightweight. It doesn't have a smell, and it does say long wear. It does melt the powders that you have, and it gives you a nice glow just off rip. So this is really good for like a summertime makeup look because, honey, you look dewy. But I know I was matte before I sprayed it. So I want to go out, I want to wear it and see how it does just throughout the day in the summertime. But my initial review, I'll give it, honestly, a 10 out of 10 for what it said it's going to do. 10 out of 10. Make sure you're like, commenting, and subscribing to the channel so that you can get honest reviews from somebody who buys products with her own money. And even if I didn't buy it with my own money, I'm always going to tell you, and I'm always going to be honest. That's how I do. I want to make sure that the girlies are spending their money in the right way with the right companies that will give them what the company said that they will give them. So if you love an honest review, make sure you follow my channel and stay tuned for more. Let's do a wear test. Let's see how it does throughout the day, and I'll get back to you later. But until next time, bye.